Chanel was always linked with luxury and quality products. It started its journey as a luxury fashion house, and by 1920, it reached our vanity through its iconic beauty products. The must-haves like Chanel No. 5 Love Earnest Nail Color or the Rough Allure lipstick are just a few to talk about. But now the legendary brand is making its way more inwards to skincare industry. As the skincare industry is thriving, now the brand is reaching our bathroom tops through its new clean beauty line, No. 1 de Chanel. So, in this video, let's understand the new product line in a bit more depth.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
The flower camellia always played an essential role for the brand Chanel. It was the favorite flower of Lady Gabrielle Chanel. Now, the brand was always focused on creating a new generation of skincare that would aim to preserve the skin's radiance. So, 4 open-sky laboratories were set up to cultivate and research natural ingredients. Now, one such laboratory focuses on camellia flowers, where there are 2,000 varieties of camellia which are nurtured without any chemicals. But only red camellia is used as the key ingredient for No. 1 de Chanel. The flower is one of the few that bloom in the cold and has the ability to withstand the cold. Its revitalizing power and its extraordinary energy give it perennial youth. It took around 10 years of research on the camellia plant to reach perfection and create an incredible concentration of nutritive and beneficial molecules. The concentration is then transformed into oil and incorporated into the new beauty line. Every product of this line is developed thoughtfully and took years of research and perfection. This line is basically dedicated to reduce the 5 signs of aging, such as lines, wrinkles, poor visibility, lack of comfort, and radiance. Moreover, the full range features on refillable and recyclable packaging that aim in reducing the company's greenhouse gas emissions. The brand suggests starting your day with the No. 1 de Chanel Powder to Foam Cleanser. It's an ultra-fine powder that transforms into a delicate foam when contacted with water. The foam lathers and refreshes your skin. And when it is recommended to use the No. 1 de Chanel Revitalizing Lotion, this lotion energizes, revives, and plumps your skin. In recent years, we have understood the necessity of serum and how it repairs your skin. So, Chanel has launched the No. 1 de Chanel Revitalizing Serum. It prevents and corrects the 5 signs of aging. The brand also claims that immediately after the application of the serum, the appearance of pores is minimized by 11%. And to complete the skincare, there's the No. 1 de Chanel Revitalizing Cream. It is a luxuriously scented and whipped moisturizer that creates a barrier against daily pollution. It also helps in visibly smoothing the appearance of the skin. The best part is the cream is refillable. Our eye skin is one of the most delicate parts of your face. We need to take care of our eye skin more elaborately, and so the brand has launched No. 1 de Chanel Revitalizing Eye Cream. The cream contains plant-derived squalene and hyaluronic acid. So the cream focuses on diminishing dark circles, reducing puffiness, and smooths out the wrinkles that occur under your eyes. Radiant and flawless, even skin is always a major makeup goal for any makeup lover. So, No. 1 de Chanel Revitalizing Foundation is a must-have for any makeup lover. Available in 20 shades, the foundation is buildable and gives your skin a luminous and hydrated finish. The foundation focuses on giving your skin plump and beautiful skin with a youthful glow. Balms are commonly used to give skin and lips natural yet radiant color. The best part of balms are that they are multi-purpose and buildable. Number 1 Day Chanel Lip and Cheek Balm is available in 6 beautiful shades. The shade color ranges from red, beige, pink to finally berry. The multi-purpose balm has a non-oily formula that is nourishing and yet buttery smooth. It adds a touch of color to your cheeks and makes your lips appear vibrant and plump with this balm. Try to include yourself with self-care with the number 1 Day Chanel Revitalizing Serum in Mist. You can use the mist on a bare face or over your makeup at any time. It's a bi-phase formula that provides you with a high dosage of concentrated red camellia extract. The mist also effectively protects your skin when it's misted throughout the day. The best part is, this spritz of the mist revives your skin and makeup. Number 1 Day Chanel Leo Rose is a revitalizing fragrance mist. Even though camellia is an odorless flower, red camellia extract and camellia water is infused in the mist to refresh and invigorate the senses. Additionally, the Chanel in-house perfume creator, Oliver Polg, used an energetic burst of citrus and red berries as an opening. The mist is also combined with jasmine, rose, comforting iris, and musk notes. You can wear the mist alone or in conjunction with a regular scent. The researchers are continuing the study of the flower and thinking of expanding the line furthermore. Moreover, all the products are made in France and are 97% naturally derived. The products are also housed in environmentally sound packaging to reduce their carbon footprint. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends. If you find our videos useful, be sure to subscribe and press that notification bell for more updates in the future.